And ito ang grupo ng mga sea lion, guys. Yeah. Marami nagpupunta rito. See? Ang dami nila. Dito talaga sila pumupunta eh.
So cool. That's cool. I've never seen them in the water like that before. Like, look, there's something in a little curve over there.
Cute nila, no, guys? Ang dami ng tao, no? Ang dami ng tao. See? They all came here to see those sea lions. Ito tayo sa malapit. Malapit. Watching the cottonwood.
I see Roxy.
Ang laki nung isa. Ayan ang pinaka-mother siguro. Laki. That was huge. Ang laki nung isa. Oh?
Let's go. He's walking.
That's a big one.
Where is he now?
Tago eh. Ito.
Wait, how do you...
Look at this big seagull. Laki. Wow. That's a big one. Mga baby pa yung iba. Ayun, na yung iba, nag-swim na sila. They're gonna go hunting now.
Oh, there you go.
Hunting for food, probably. Oh,
What is that for? What is it called out for? Air fire.
gonna go hunting for food.
What is it for?
They're swimming now.
Yeah. They're gonna go hunt for their food.
Why do you knock it out?
Ang dami nila, oh.
Then why do you knock it out?
Look at that.
The sick one?
Wow.
Nice. I like that swimming.
Ang dami nila. Oh, they're gonna go swimming and no, they're gonna go hunting. They're gonna go hunting. Yeah, hunting for food. Wow, look at this big one. This big one. Laki. Mga anak niya yan. Yung tatlo siguro.
Even all the black ones.
Ganda. Ayun yung bird.
Ng winter. Winter season.
La.
But which one is
They're
it?
warm.
Black. That one?
Okay. I think we're good.
Okay? We're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. We are in La Jolla. Just to show you around there. Oh. Yun yung mga konsalikuran natin. Hindi na makatingin.
Wala akong
Okay,
sa-
bye guys. Thank you for watching.